Hello, today I'm going to talk about Java 17's new feature pattern match. There's two features introduced. One is pattern match for instance of. It is a succinct way to extract the data inside class and the record. The second feature is pattern match for switch. It is a preview feature. So pattern match is one of the killing feature of functional programming languages. So it is very exciting that Java introduced it. Let me show you the first example. Uh, First, a feature for pattern match for instance of with an example. So we have a address type here. It has two cases, house and apartment. For house, it doesn't have a unit number, but it has the street address. For apartment, in addition to street address, it has unit number. In order to uh, extract any data from the apartment from a address type, the first step in the traditional way is type checking, is checking the types. Then the second step is convert the address to apartment. Then we can get the unit number. On the other hand, with pattern match, we can do the type checking and conversion in the same step. So we add a parameter here, then the apartment can be converted directly. Let me show you the code example demo. So here we have the pattern match for instance of. Let me just run this program. So you can see if it is the house, which is the address one, it doesn't have a unit number. If it's the apartment, the unit number is printed out here. For the second feature, pattern match for switch, we need to first talk about the switch statement before Java 17. So before Java 17, the switch can only switch on primary types, such as integer, string, or Java enumerations. So in this example, we have months like January, February to April, and we switch depending on the month. We know what's the season there. So the two disadvantages of switch statement. First, we have all this break, um, which is noise. Second, in order to get any data from the switch statement, um, we have to have a variable to store them. With the new switch expressions, uh, we don't have break. Second, the entire switch expression will have a data returned, so you don't need to have a mutable variable to initialize, then start the result as before. Also, the third advantage is the switch expression pattern for pattern match. Will check whether you have uh, handled all the cases. Let me show you in the Java code. So in the demo code, we already have to extract the street address, and here it already shows that the first address is on the King Street, second address on Queen Street. Let me show you. If we forget to process the apartment cases, then the compiler will tell you that a street extraction should have a default case. Basically, you haven't checked the apartment case. In order to have this checking all cases feature to be enabled, you need to have the sealed keyword here. So let me show the case that without sealed keyword, Java will tell you you should have a default case. Basically, it doesn't know that you only have 2 cases. So this concludes this video. If you enjoy this video, can you subscribe? Thank you.